100 patients with confirmed cases of COVID-19 are being treated in Ballad Health hospitals. 19 of those patients are in intensive care, 13 are on ventilators. Ballad says another 20 patients are hospitalized waiting for their COVID-19 test results.
Well, the CDC reporting new data last week showing how many Americans who died from COVID-19 also had another medical condition.
The report says for 6% of the deaths, COVID-19 was the only cause mentioned. This reveals there were 94% of patients who died from the virus having other health conditions or some contributing factors in addition to the virus.
And boy, that's got a lot of people talking, as you likely have heard. Well, Febin Cassahoon explains why Ballad Health officials continue to advise that we take these statistics very seriously.
Ballad Health officials are saying that they're worried that many are misinterpreting the data, saying that believing the virus only affects those who are critically ill and are elderly is simply wrong. Officials with Ballad Health say they're worried many are undermining the seriousness of COVID-19 and could lead to harsher consequences as we enter the flu season.
These are deaths that are preventable, so if these people had not gotten COVID-19, the expectation is that they would still be alive today.
Top underlying medical conditions linked to the coronavirus deaths.
If you have asthma, diabetes, high blood pressure, migraines, epilepsy, heart disease, there's a host of other conditions that would put you in that 94%.
According to Ballad Health, COVID-19 spread continues across all age groups in the region, except for the very young and elderly.
Again, we've seen the mask mandates happen, and so we're hoping that we'll see a downward trend of our positives again.
Officials believe the mask mandates are working to reduce the spread of the virus. They urged people to continue to practice preventative measures.
Really, we're seeing a decline over the last 4 weeks, and we saw a little bit of a leveling the previous 2 weeks, but this most past week, August 23rd through the 29th, actually saw another decline.
To date, the health system has received 332 units of plasma from patients. They've also received 450 donations from patients who have recovered from COVID-19. Now, those who wish to donate are asked to contact the Marsh Regional Blood Center. In Johnson City, Febin Cassahoon, News Channel 11.